Are you a local small business owner who is busting your butt working 60, 70, 80 hours a week? Are you not making enough money to support your family and pay your bills? Are you wanting to grow your business to a six-figure income? Hi, I'm Tammy Adams, host of the Local Small Business Coach podcast, as well as the Start a Local Small Business podcast. On this YouTube channel, you are going to be able to find not only the past episodes of both those podcasts, but we've created some additional videos that are going to help you increase your profits, boost your sales, improve your processes, and develop stronger teams. The Local Small Business Coach has your back. We provide training local small business owners like yourself need to take your business to the next level. You're going to learn the secrets of other small business owners as well as what big box retailers and large corporate America companies know and do to help maximize their sales and profits. Because guess what? Those same tricks work for you. Those same things they do will also help you grow your business. We're going to go ahead and pull back that curtain and share that with you. We're going to help you start earning a great living doing what it is that you love to do. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and start earning $100,000 income, then check out the nuggets we provide to help get you there.